You delegate a crucial project to a team. The deadline arrives and the work is either half finished or it's completely wrong. So what do? You step in, work until 9 p.m. and fix it yourself. And as you sit there at your desk, you think, if I want it done right, I just have to do it myself. That single thought is the reason you're exhausted. It's the reason your business can't grow past you. Because you aren't delegating, you're abdicating. And when it inevitably fails, you fall right back into micromanagement. We're CH4B, Central Hub for Business. We're a human-powered growth ecosystem built to help SME owners build profitable, secure, and fulfilling businesses. In our Business Growth Blueprint, one of our core 12 principles is T. And today we're talking about how to build true accountability without becoming a micromanager. Most SME owners confuse accountability with micromanagement. Micromanagement is telling someone exactly how to do a task and checking over their shoulder every hour. It strips their autonomy and turns you into a highly paid babysitter. Accountability, on the other hand, is agreeing on the outcome, providing the resources, and measuring the result. If you want to stop firefighting and start acting like a CEO or true leader, you need an operating rhythm. Here is a 3-step framework you can implement with your team today. Step 1 is to define roles, not tasks. If you just hand out isolated tasks, your staff will act like task workers. They finish the job and wait for your next order. If you assign them a role with a clear outcome, for example, you own client onboarding speed, they start thinking like owners. Step 2 is one problem, one owner. If 2 people are responsible for a project, 0 people are responsible. When things go wrong, they will just point at each other. Every priority, client, and every metric in your business must have exactly one name attached to it. And step 3, schedule the follow-up up front. The reason you micromanage is you get anxious about whether the work is actually happening. Stop checking in randomly. When you assign the work, schedule the review right then. Say, this is due Friday. We will look at a draft on Wednesday at 10 a.m. Now you don't need to chase them on Tuesday. The check-in is locked. When you build this rhythm, you finally remove yourself as the bottleneck. This is exactly what we implement in step 8 of our 9-step coaching process, team and leadership. We help you build a team that runs the business so that you don't have to. If you are carrying the operational weight of your entire business, it's time to find the leaks. Take the 3-minute growth scorecard and find out 12 simple questions, instant personalized growth report. Pinpoint blind spots across 12 proven principles, discover where you're leaking profit, time, or opportunity, and get tailored next steps to cut costs and grow faster. Click the link in the description to take it right now. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.